Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We're in a cafe, busy cafe in the little town of Leland. There's a Leland coffee roaster. This place is hopping. It took us about 15-20 minutes to get in line to order a coffee. But this place is busy. We're here to look for the famous Leland Blue Stones, and we decided to get a coffee on the way before we proceed on. It took us a while to get a parking spot. It's a tiny little town, maybe a block long, but so busy. Cute little village. Not very big. We just left the cafe and we're almost to the end. But it is packed. Really packed little town. Really busy. A couple beaches down there. I don't know if we're going to the main public beach or not, but we're gonna look for a place to get the Leland Blue Stones. Oh, that's for sale, actually. Everything's cute around here, this little village.
Oh, horse. Do you want to take photos of yourself with the horse? To the horse. Yeah. I'm going to put my coffee in here.
Half the town is down here. There's more down here than there is up there. All along the waterfront, there's little shops. Tight little walkways. Wow, I did not expect this. I've never been up this way. But eventually we're gonna make our way down to the water and look for some of the Leland Blue Stones.
We might do it.
This is actually a pretty little town, Melanie. Okay? It's a pretty little town, isn't it? Imagine living right there. Very rustic town. Oh, look at the little babies.
Oh, where's Mama? Mama under the bus.
Look how busy this place is.
The building is so pretty.
Next B, your order is ready.
And that's what it's all about there, guys. Slag. That's what this town is all about. Not too many towns have a chunk of slag as their monument, huh, Melanie? Then we're gonna go see what it looks like out on the beaches. Oh, we finally made it to the beach in Leland. This is a very narrow stretch of water, but honestly, it is the absolute best for looking for stones for rock polishing that I've ever seen yet. And I haven't been to Lake Superior rock hunting, so that's another story. So let me see, Michelle. Oh, it got wet. We got some samples here. Let's see if I can show you what some Leland Blue looks like. It's not the greatest here. Michelle just brought me one that looks just like a jelly bean. Look at that. Oh, look at the color here, Michelle. Look what she's got. This is what she won't let go. Michelle's got some beautiful colors in here. She's picking up some pretty stones herself. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. So, but literally, I mean, you just sit here and pick. This is so thick and abundant. I'm not taking the camera down by the water, obviously. But look at that. For rock polishing, these little ones, all you have to do is the finishing steps. And you've got jewelry grade gemstones. Or, oh, that's a pretty one, Michelle. So, that's possibly, yeah, it's a piece of slag. There's a red one. See if I get it wet. See? There's a red one. So we'll see how it goes here. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful beach. Beautiful stones. It's a rock collector's dream. Eventually we're gonna get to Lake Superior, which will make this look like nothing one day, but the Leland Blue is just in abundance here. And this is the one, oh pretty. This is the one that if you hold up to the sunlight, and I don't know if you can see this very well, it's translucent. It looks like that amethyst. Beautiful. I hope that shows up if you can see through it. It looks just like amethyst, and that's the Leland Blue right here. So we're gonna get back to rock collecting and have a good time of it. Being down underwater, you can find some really pretty samples. So you can see a lot better down there. Oops. And get knocked over by the water. It's beautiful down here. And I'm getting some of the samples where other people can't get to. And enjoying keeping cool while I'm at it. As I'm sorting these out, I'm back at the homestead here, but I want you to go backwards and look at a funny clip. Michelle has got a little fishing pole. She has a practice fishing pole with a little plastic fish on it. And she is getting good with that thing. Watch her cast that thing over my head multiple times while I sort this out.
Look at
Right in front of my face. By the way, give me a thumbs up, please. Help me improve my channel and make it possible for cool videos like this. Hit that thumbs up, that like button, and improve my stats. Thank you very much. So this, guys, is what it's all about. This is called Leland Blue, which is slag from the late 1800s from the iron industry in Leland, Michigan, in the Lelanau Peninsula. I can't say it right. Here's our biggest sample. It's been very well picked over because this is considered a valuable material now and used for jewelry. And with some of the colors of these little polished pieces, you can see why. Some of them are translucent and look just like a amethyst. And I mean, these are beautiful specimens here. Some of them, and this is just slag from the iron industry. Consider these have been thrashed around by the water and the waves for about 150 years now. They're beautifully polished. And some of the coarser ones we got, you can see and get an idea of some of the colors. This is also known as Frankfurt green, mostly available in Frankfurt, Michigan, another iron industry area, but they're overall known as Leland Blue Stone. And you can see there's different colors. That's more like the one you saw on their big plaque, their big pillar out there. That's got a lot of iron still in there. And there's just a dark mass, but you can tell it's slag. This has the bluish, the typical Leland bluish tone, but a lot of these flaws is what makes them valuable and beautiful to people. Here, oops, gotta re-wet it. They dry off quick out here right now. There's some colors in there. Look at all the colors. I'm not sure it's slag. I think that's slag because of how it's chipped away. This one's definitely slag. We've got some really beautiful pieces too. You can see they shard like glass. They almost have become like glass. And then there's some different colors. It dries fast here. There's all the different types of colors you can get. Here's another green. So that's the Leland Blue Stone, which is used and highly sought after for jewelry now. And you can see with these colors why. They can be quite beautiful. And when cut and polished, they're absolutely just look like gemstones. Now, Leland has become famous for these. And so they're getting harder to find. That's why I went snorkeling. But when you find some, you have quite the value on your hands. And these can go for anywhere between $5 and $30 a piece when cut and polished. So quite a value there. We'll probably go back one day just for fun and get some more. It was a beautiful time on the beach, beautiful day. It was scorching hot out and just the perfect way to spend the day with the family. Just amazing. Here I wanted to share with you why I was so excited on that beach. The colors of these stones is just stunning. Look at this, it's almost got blues in it. I believe that's quartz and granite. I really hope this color shows up. It's hard to get it on camera when it's wet because it shines. There's some greens, oranges, whites, darker colors in there. There's a little fossil. There's a little tiny Petoskey, the Michigan State stone, perfectly polished. Once it's wet, it looks just amazing. That's just so cute. Little button Petoskey's. I like it. And here, already drying. It's so dry today. Hold on a minute. There's another just nice specimen of Leland Blue. Really pretty. And here, I don't know what this is. Look at that. But it's got a wear pattern. It's got quite the wear on it. And just beautiful colors in there. I'm not sure if that... I think that could be slag. But it was just beautiful, the colors in that. Well, there you go, guys. It was an awesome day. Please like, subscribe, and share. And do give me a thumbs up, guys. It'll help support my channel and make more videos like this possible in the future. Please let me know if you like this and if you'd like to see more adventures and outdoors and explorations. Love to hear from you. Talk to you all later.